Discover the WIZZIQ concept in the high-end world of laminated glass repair. The process of cleaning and preparing the impact and injecting the resin remains unchanged, whatever system you generally use. WIZZIQ resin has been developed to allow fast penetration of all types of impacts and to achieve an invisible repair in record time. This acid-free resin, thanks to its exceptional texture, polymerizes in 90 seconds and provides a perfect repair. Guaranteed against discoloration or loss of quality over time, the original strength of the glass is restored. For a perfect finish to the work, WIZZIQ provides you with innovative and perfectly tailored solutions. Our plastic film allows maximum transmission of the ultraviolet rays emitted by the LED lamp. A drop of finishing resin is enough to solidify your repair. This resin provides an effective barrier against all chemical corrosion and mechanical aggressions. The WIZZIQ ultraviolet lamp offers all the advantages of the latest LED technologies and, in particular, a high-intensity beam allowing polymerization in 90 seconds. Its lithium-ion battery gives it a potential to make 100 repairs without recharging and without loss of power. The homogeneity of the WIZZIQ finishing resin means the excess can be quickly and easily removed once polymerized. The last essential stage for the perfect result is the application of our especially developed polishing paste designed to be used with the other WIZZIQ components. The WIZZIQ concept gives your repair a perfect look, making it almost invisible and able to withstand the toughest conditions while saving you time. The WIZZIQ concept in the high-end world of laminated glass repair.